This is going to blow your mind. Did you know snow leopards are called ghosts of the mountains? Let's find out why. Snow leopards are like nature's ninjas, blending into their Rocky Mountain homes in Central Asia. These majestic cats have thick, fluffy fur that keeps them warm in freezing temperatures. And those long, bushy tails, they use them like scarves to wrap around their bodies when they nap. But that's not all. Snow leopards can leap up to 50 feet in a single bound. That's like jumping across a basketball court. They're super stealthy hunters, sneaking up on their prey with incredible patience. Sadly, snow leopards are endangered, with only about 4,000 to 6,500 left in the wild. But there's hope. Conservation efforts are helping to protect these beautiful animals and their habitats. So, the next time you think of the Himalayas, remember the incredible snow leopards roaming those snowy peaks. And let's keep their mystery alive. Stay wild and see you next time.